Alright, buckle up. This is the 2026 Ford Raptor, and if you think this is just another pickup, stay with me for the next 20 seconds, because this truck is built for a very specific kind of driver. The kind who wants muscle without losing daily comfort. The kind who drives American highways Monday to Friday and still wants desert runner vibes on the weekend. And the big question is the new Raptor still worth the money in 2026? Especially with fuel prices, insurance costs, and electric trucks rising fast? Let's break it down in real-world terms. The 2026 Ford Raptor comes to the USA market with an expected starting price around $79,000, depending on trim and options. Fully loaded models can push past $90,000 easily. In Japan, after import taxes and registration, the price jumps close to 11 million yen. In ASEAN markets like Thailand, Malaysia, or Indonesia, expect prices between 4.5 to 5.2 million local currency equivalent, depending on duties. So yes, it's expensive. But here's the thing. This truck is not trying to be cheap. It's trying to be capable everywhere. Under the hood, the 2026 Raptor continues with the twin-turbo V6, tuned even tighter this year. Power delivery is smooth, aggressive, and surprisingly controlled. In city driving, it doesn't feel like a wild animal. Throttle response is calm when you want it to be. Traffic lights, stop and go, parking lots, it behaves like a normal truck. On the highway, this thing wakes up. Passing power is instant. You tap the pedal at 70 miles per hour, and it surges forward without stress. No screaming engine, no drama, just clean, confident acceleration. Fuel economy is where most buyers pause. In real USA driving conditions, expect around 15 miles per gallon in the city and 19 on the highway. Combined, you're looking at roughly 17 miles per gallon. Is that great? No. Is it expected for a high-performance off-road truck weighing this much? Absolutely. Now here's the important part for 2026 buyers. Ford's engine tuning and mild hybrid assist helps reduce fuel waste during idle and city cruising. You won't see EV-level savings, but compared to older V8 trucks, you're saving fuel every month. If you're comparing this to hybrid trucks or EV pickups, yes, they cost less to fuel. But they also cost more upfront and can be expensive to repair long-term. The Raptor stays simple where it matters. Regular gasoline, proven engine tech, and no battery anxiety. Maintenance cost in the USA is reasonable for this segment. Annual servicing averages around $1,200 to $1,500, depending on how hard you drive it. Parts availability is excellent. This is a Ford, not an exotic import. Any major city in the USA has Raptor-trained technicians, and aftermarket support is massive. For Asian buyers importing this truck, parts are still easier to source than European luxury trucks, which is a big plus. Insurance is on the higher side, no sugarcoating it. In the USA, full coverage can range from $2,200 to $3,000 per year, depending on age, driving record, and state. The reason is simple: high horsepower, high replacement cost. But resale value helps balance this out. Speaking of resale, the Raptor is one of the strongest trucks in this area. After 3 years, you can still expect around 65 to 70% of value in the USA market if mileage is reasonable. In overseas Asian markets, resale is even stronger due to limited availability. People want Raptors, and that demand keeps prices high. Now let's talk daily ownership. City driving is easier than you'd expect. The suspension soaks up potholes, broken pavement, speed bumps, all the stuff American roads throw at you. Steering is light at low speeds, visibility is excellent, and driver assistance tech makes long commutes less tiring. Highway driving is where the Raptor shines. It's stable, quiet, and planted, even at higher speeds. Long road trips feel effortless. Compared briefly with competitors, Toyota's TRD Pro is more conservative. It's reliable, yes, but it doesn't feel as exciting or as advanced in suspension tuning. Honda doesn't really play in this extreme performance truck space, so there's no true direct rival there. The Raptor sits in a sweet spot between raw power and everyday usability. Why is this truck smart for USA roads and traffic? Because it's built for wide highways, mixed weather, long distances, and unpredictable road conditions. Snow, rain, heat, dirt roads, it handles all of it without modification. You don't need to baby it. You don't need special charging stations. You just drive. For overseas Asian buyers, the Raptor represents American truck culture at its best. It's bold, practical, and engineered for real use, not just show. So here's the bottom line. The 2026 Ford Raptor is not cheap, not fuel efficient like a hybrid, and not small. But it delivers confidence, durability, resale strength, and unmatched versatility. If you want one vehicle that can handle daily life and still feels special every time you start it, this truck earns its price. If this breakdown helped you understand whether the 2026 Raptor is right for you, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Because real car buying decisions deserve real-world reviews. See you in the next one.